Okay, no? Massage. The most important thing is the blood circulation here. The blood pump. Look here. Okay, no? Educate you. So, kini isang back. This is the anti-gravity muscle. No? Kung na kay pain ni siya mo gagmay ang anti-gravity muscle. So, anti-gravity ko, no? So, yung anti-gravity daan mo, eh? Nagkuwal, umawa na siya mo na front na ka, no? So, here, normal. People, look here is the hamstring, yeah? There's a big artery here that's called femoral artery. Now, mulingkod ka, naiguli siya. Just like hose, no? Tamakan mo, di ka nila kasirit ang tubig. Kaya nga, mag-press mo, di nga nakakaon ang imuhang dual extremity daan kung mawalang pain and numbness. So, sabi, hindi na problem na solusyon. Uy, gasolina, ano? And then, ang gasolina niya is about 5 kilograms. Again, here, 5 kilograms. Oh, per week, no? Uy, kada bitang auto, gamitin mo. Yung sinahan mo, siya itong body, tapos ginahan sa nato. Sige, but before with gasoline, release the type this verse, no? Intellectual property ni. So, here, massage siya. Hindi ka na mo, wala, bones na, oh. Here, this is most important thing. Kaya mabalance ka, no? Mag-release ang tightness. So, we stretch here. Kita, kung na kaya muscles, okay? 40 minutes naman is bahay, no? Here, 20 minutes to 30. With the tension 4, yeah? But, I don't want lagi nga, ma'am. Mukha na sa pain, nahurot na iyahang gasolina, kaya hindi mo patubay. Bawala din naman siya, sir, masakit na sa ginuta. Mga ito, prevention, no? Prevention better than cure, yeah? Thank you.